Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add designs to a t-shirt mockup in Photoshop. This is a great way to create realistic looking images of your t-shirt designs before you start printing them. So, let's open Photoshop and get into this amazing tutorial. Here's our design and here's the t-shirt mockup that we'll use. From the toolbar, select the rectangle tool. Draw a shape on the t-shirt where you want to place your design. Change its fill to white and its stroke to none. Now right-click on the rectangle layer and convert it into Smart Object. This will keep its size same even when we modify it. Go to the blending options and change it to multiply. Let's rename our layer. Now, as we double-click on the Smart Object, a new document will open up. Here, we'll have to place our design. Just drag and drop or copy it from the document. Paste it over here. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. When done, go to the file and save it. And there we have our amazing design placed in the t-shirt mockup. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.